Low roller adjustment on the machine. It's really the basic assembly and the final part of assembly of the machine. This line is half assembled and half on the ground. So one by one, I'm gonna show you the how we assemble each roller on the shaft. You can see our worker based on the drawing, put the one by one the roller on the shaft. Solid sleeves. And we have some double side sleeve that can be easily moved like this, as you can see. So this sleeve will be really suitable for adjust size, the width of the profile. So once you put it inside, once you put it here, you can see. Once you put it inside, it can be easily to remove. Doesn't need to take it out. It's easily to remove and adjust the size. One by one, we check the drawing, the rollers, and we put it inside. Here is the roller, the sleeves, ready to assembly, and here is the other side stand. So this is the really special moment for you guys who didn't saw or assembly for CZU or different sleeves here, different size, widths, and it has a special number. We one by one we assembly on the line. Why we use these separate sleeves? Because once we wanna change the piece of the or C shape, we can take it easily out without take the stand out and put it in here. Roller assembly on the machine, on Lotus roll forming machine. One by one, assemble here. This line made for our domestic customer who want to produce highest speed shape profile, and now we are assembling and running the machine in his workshop. And this is the left side pillar. After the finish the all adjustment, we can put it on the here for bearing joint connection, and it can move slowly to take our tooling adjustment. I really want to show you how to change these sleeves, but I just have a one hand here and I'm trying to fix it for you by one hand. Here, as you can see, I put it here. So once I want to move it out, I just need a 5mm or 2mm gap. You can see I check it here, and a little gap if I have, I can take these sleeve separately. As you can see, just by 5mm you can take it separately and disassemble this joint. And then you can take it down and put it between the rollers. Like here. Each of these, you can take it a little out, and you can see it's half falling down, and you can take this one coming out or change the sleeves. Again, you want to put it inside. As I told you, I'm with one hand. I'm not sure I can put it here or not, but easily can. Somebody in here, and then come it back. Again, put it here.